In this video, I am going to show you how to access wiring diagrams for the Opel Corsa, including technical data for the different wiring connectors and wiring harnesses. Okay, so I'm basically going to be covering the Corsa C and the Corsa D. Okay, and I know in different markets, the same vehicle is probably going to be regarded as a Holden or Vauxhall or Chevrolet, right? But in this video, I'm just going to be referring to it as an Opel, simply because Opel is much more familiar from where I come from, okay? So these diagrams, I'm going to tell you that they're going to be absolutely free, so you don't have to worry about having to go somewhere to grab your credit card. They are absolutely going to be free. But before I show you the instructions or show you where to get them, I think it's important that you see just how comprehensive the information you are going to get is, okay? So first of all, the document you're going to receive is going to look like this. It's going to be broken down into different chapters. Those chapters are going to be the different circuits which are going to be within the vehicle. For example, under the air conditioning, of course, there are circuits which are under the air conditioning, so it's going to be a chapter. Anti-lock brakes is going to be a chapter on its own, which has got anti-lock brakes, circuits, and so forth. So as you can see that we've got the aircon, anti-lock brakes, anti-theft, computer data lines, cooling fans, cruise control, defoggers, engine performance, and so forth and so forth, right? All the way down here where you get your radios, your transmission, and so forth. Okay, so I'm just going to take an example of an electrical diagram. Maybe I'm just going to pick the anti-theft, or let me just say anti-lock brakes, right? So if you open this diagram, immediately you are going to see that the diagram is represented in color, right? So the exact colors that you're looking at right now are going to be the exact colors of the wires within your vehicle. So you can zoom into any scale. You don't have to worry about it pixelating, right? It's going to come out in a very presentable manner, right? So you've got your electronic brake control module, which has got several pins here, and you can easily see where they're going, right? Some are going to the some are going to the instrument cluster, some are going to the lamp driver module, and some are going, of course, to the wheel speed sensors. Okay, so you can easily follow through these diagrams. The colors that you're looking at, they're going to be the exact colors that you're going to see in your vehicle, right? So you can see that there is quite a range, quite a list, right, of diagrams that you can look at, right? So I'll go under the instrument cluster. Of course, there's the instrument cluster with tachometer, one without. In fact, that's clock circuit and instrument cluster as well. So if I open the instrument cluster, I get a similar diagram which is in color, and as I said, you can zoom to any scale. Okay, you can zoom to any scale. You don't have to worry about things pixelating or stuff like that. Okay, and under the radio, again, we've got our radio circuit there, and we have got everything represented for us to see what is going on, right? So basically these are the electrical diagrams. So I'm going to show you the wiring connectors or wiring harnesses, the information that you're going to get. So let me just go to this section. Alright, so under this section you're going to see your harness connectors and the end views. Okay, so here we are looking at the TCM harness view, right? So you can easily see that you've got your connectors are going to be explained, pin number 1, pin number 2, pin number 3, and pin number 4. What pin number 1 stands for. If it's a ground, you're going to be told it's ground. This one, pin number 3, is the CAN serial data low, and then pin number 4 is CAN serial data high. Okay. This is C102 front harness for the engine harness. So this is an engine harness, and again, pins are explained. You're going to get the explanations, what each pin is representing, what it stands for, and so forth. So you see there's quite a range of connector harnesses or wiring harnesses, okay, and you're going to get comprehensive information explaining to you what those pins mean and where they be going, okay, and even the part numbers as well of those wiring harnesses. They are also going to be you are also going to be given in case you want to search for them online or you want to buy them online, okay. So in order for you to download this document, in order for you to download this valuable information, all you just have to do is to go to the link which is in the description and follow the instructions that you're going to see. Like I said, these are absolutely free, so you don't have to worry about going somewhere to go and fetch your credit card. This is absolutely free. Thank you for watching.